Good morning, friends. I am Suraj Agrawal, and you are watching your favorite YouTube channel, Gardening is My Passion. Friends, today I'll tell you how to prepare liquid fertilizer, enormous nitrogen rich liquid fertilizer for growing marigolds, especially for marigolds, and you can apply in many other winter season flowering plants also. So, this is the recipe I have brought from Mr. Anup Kumar Satra. He is a famous horticulturist. I have got this recipe from him and I'll tell you how to prepare it. Just take a earthen or this clay pot or this pitcher and take around 100 gram of urea fertilizer. This is a chemical fertilizer urea, and add around 200 gram of mustard cake powder. This is organic fertilizer, and add 300 gram of cow dung. So this is the rich in nitrogen. Fresh cow dung you have to add around 300 gram, and then you have to add around 3 liters of water in it and make a slurry. That I'll show you how to make the slurry of it. Just mix it around and just add 3 liters of water. I am adding 3 liters of water, you see, and stir it well, very well, so that it can be mixed very well nicely. It should be, the slurry should be very nice slurry, and cover it and keep it in garden area for around 4 days. So you have to cover it and keep it in a cupboard for 4 days, and every day you have to stir it and keep it here only. And after 4 days I'll show you how to prepare the liquid fertilizer out of it and how to apply it in huge quantity. You have to apply in garden, and what else would be the precautions for applying these fertilizers. Just keep watching. I am showing you after 4 days. Welcome back, friends, after 4 days, and you see my slurry. The fermentation process is over, and mix it well, stir it well, very nicely, and nice consistency. And from this liquid I'll take around 100 ml. This is contains lots of nitrogen. You can call it liquid nitrogen around, and 100 ml I'll dissolve it in 5 liters of water. So that I have taken 100 ml, and here you can see this is 5 liter of water can, and I am taking 5 liters of water. In that, mix 100 ml around this liquid, and then again watering it properly, and stir it nicely, shake it nicely, and then apply in garden. If the plants, especially the marigold plants, they are voracious eater, so you can apply around 100 ml. If the plant is around 1 foot tall and in the garden area, you can apply 100 ml. Or if you are applying in some of this pot area pots, you can apply 50 ml or 25 ml would be enough. And if you apply today, after 10 days, again after 10 days you repeat the same procedure and same application, and don't apply it more further. So only 2 times is enough, because this is very rich in nitrogen and they will bring lush green vegetation. And first precaution is don't apply any foliar spray. Don't make it a foliar spray, because they may burn your leaves. And if you apply in soil, so if you want, you can apply in other season flower plants also. These are impatiens grown in my garden area. So I am applying around 50 ml in each plant, and you will see in 1 week's time you will see amount to see and big size, huge growth in plants, and hundreds of branches you can see here, and you can see hundreds of flower from this impatiens. And if your liquid is falls on the leaves, just wash with plain water, and there should not be falling on leaves. Just apply in soil only. These are some petunia flowering plants. I am applying around 25 ml each, and in some calendula also I will be applying. Calendula also very nice plant. They are also voracious eaters, so I am applying around 25 to 50 ml each in calendula plant. And now I am going to apply it in pots plants. There are lots of hundreds of plants I am growing, especially the marigold, maybe French marigold or Inca marigold. I am growing in pots around, and around applying 50 ml in each pot of this French marigold. If you want, you can apply in Inca marigold and all. or other seasonal flower planting also, and I'll show you the results after 1 week area. So this is the easiest thing you can prepare, very cheap thing. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you at all like the video, please give it a like, give it a thumbs up. If you new to my